Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. It's Meeks here. Hope you've been alright. It feels like ages since I've made a video, but with Christmas and everything going on, I've just been a bit busy, so I apologise that it's been a minute. I'm trying to stick to the Christmas theme. I was going to do Vlogmas, but then I said I got busy, so I'm going to try and be consistent this week and upload something every day. Don't hold me to it until Christmas Day. I'm going to try. Today, as you know, I'm in my haul space, so I'm going to be doing an Oh Polly haul. Oh Polly haul. I'm quite pleased because this has been heavily requested. You guys knew that I was going to buy something from their festive collection anyway. Guess you thought that you might as well ask me to do a haul on it, which I would have. But yeah, this has been quite requested, so I'm pleased that you guys are enjoying my Oh Polly hauls, because trust me, more are to come because I love this brand. This is not a sponsored haul, so everything from this collection I bought myself. Christmas is less than a week away. Believe it? Less than a week? So this haul hopefully promises to bring something for me to wear on Christmas Day or New Year's Day, other celebrations in between, if we allowed out for lockdown, but you know, still dressed up at home and that. So yeah, let me try them on. And let me make this quick because I can't lie, I'm starving. I've been starving myself all day for this haul because, you know, Oh Polly dresses, they nice, but didn't want the belly to be pouching out this time of the year. I do eat a bit more, so let me hurry up because I'm starving and I'm dying to try on these dresses. Okay, here we have this little red two-piece number, a very Christmassy. I wanted to get some red, obviously, to be in the Christmas spirit. I thought I'd try something a bit different from Oh Polly this time. I normally just get dresses, a few tops, but I don't really go for two pieces. So I thought, let me give this a try, see how I like it. The skirt, I was a bit weary about the skirt, and that's another reason why I tend to not go for many two pieces, because skirts tend to ride up and it's just not cute. But I trust Oh Polly's material, and this one seems okay. Like, I feel like I can walk and I'm not worried about my backy flinging out halfway or it riding up. It's quite form-fitting, it's quite sturdy, if that's the word. Very comfortable, as Oh Polly always is. The top, I'm loving poofy shoulders these days. I don't know if you've noticed, but quite a lot of my hauls I go for like whole poofy shoulders. It's very in right now, and this is no different. It's absolutely gorgeous with the mesh sleeves. I must say though, on me, I'm not sure. Just because I'm quite petite, as in small, vertically challenged, so I feel that it would look really nice on somebody with a nice, tall, slender torso. With me, it's meant to kind of like be a whole crop top thing, and there's, you see like a little bit of skin there. I don't know. It doesn't come as a set, it does come sold separately, the two pieces. Why do companies do that? It's like they want to get more money out of us. But then again, at the same time, people do like to vary in sizes. That's probably the reason. Can't really complain about that because I'm genuinely one of those people. I think both of these are a size 8, however. It is very nice and it is a different look for me. What do you guys think? I'm a bit at the moment, just because I know it's not the best for my kind of body type, in my opinion. So just because if maybe this was a bit shorter and it had a bit more belly out, or a bit more torso out, a bit more abbage out.
Yes, I know abbage isn't a word. I mean abs, you know what I mean.
Or abbage, chunk, maybe, but yeah. It doesn't look bad, but I'm not sure I'm going to keep it. And I don't know if this is going to be the Christmas or the New Year's. I like the colour though, so who knows. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I feel so Vogue in this. I feel like it's kind of giving me 80s vibes. I don't know why. Maybe it's the fabric, maybe it's the way I styled my hair today, maybe it's the puff sleeves again, but this is definitely giving me that sort of 80s vibe, and I'm here for it. This is a different kind of material to what I normally buy in Oh Polly. This kind of reminds me of like a ribbon as well. I'm getting all types of feels from this dress, but this is a satin ruched material. You know what this reminds me of? You know the Quality Streets, the Cadbury's Quality Street boxes is that exact purple, and that always reminds me of Christmas. So I think Oh Polly have definitely got it on point when picking that perfect festive purpley shade. This royal purple just does the job, really. It really reminds me of celebration time. Come on, get a little dancing in it. No, it's definitely comfortable, and for this sort of fabric I wasn't expecting me to be that comfortable. I thought I'd feel a bit like rigid, a bit like can't breathe, but it's nice. It really is nice. I might have to try and get some more dresses in this material from their website more often, to be honest. And this is a size 10. I didn't dare go for a size 8 because I know that I would have never fit in the size 8 in this material, and I'm glad I didn't because I think this is the right fit. I couldn't do it up myself, which with Oh Polly dresses I normally can because of the stretch, but this one I had to have some assistance, so that's how you know that the material is a bit more rigid, but it's very, very comfortable. I'm loving the bust line. I'm loving the shiny fabric. I feel like a ribbon that someone just needs to unwrap in this. It's definitely fun and flirty, and it's perfect for the party season. Whether it's the New Year's Eve dress, I'm not sure, but I'm here for it. I like this one. What do you think? This colour bangs. This colour is so beautiful. I don't think I've got a dress that's rose gold until now. No, this is beautiful. Oh, I feel like a princess in this. I'm not sure it's that flattering on me. I feel like I see a bit of pouch here or a bit of ruffling or something, and I feel like I have to keep pulling it down. But it is that sort of satin material. This is a 10, and I feel like on top it could have been a bit smaller, on the bottom it's a little bit too tight, so what do? I can't really win in that situation, but it's not too big at the top that I'd be like, no, it doesn't fit. It is lovely. I'm just not sure because this bit makes me feel a bit uncomfortable if it's the one for me. Beautiful dress. Again, it's that satin, but it's soft. Even this looks like a corset, but it's not rigid. It's still very comfortable, which I always find with Oh Polly. Like, I don't think I've tried on anything of theirs and not felt comfortable and not felt some sort of confidence. This is really, really nice. I love the no straps. Get out the clavicles, get out the back, as I say. No, this is really, really nice, ladies. This collection so far, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. This will look so nice on someone for New Year's. It's just got that wow factor, that wow colour. You walk in and people are like, people can see you out the corner of their eye because the colour is so vibrant, and when the light hits it, it's just bam. Oh yeah, I like this. Got my body top back on, I'm going to show you why. You won't go any further than this. This is it. It will not go further than this. This is a size 8, and this material is sort of like crepe material. I don't know what I was thinking when I put size 8 in this material in my basket, because I know that size 8 crepe dresses do not fit me. I don't know, maybe on the site it doesn't look like that sort of crepe material and I was mistaken, or I just wasn't looking properly, or it was an error, I don't know. But quite disappointed, because this looked really, really cute from what I remember and I was excited to get it on. But looking at it, I don't know, compared to the others that I've tried, the material, even the colour, to me, this sort of ivory colour isn't really screaming New Year's Eve or Christmas Day. So it looks like it could be a nice, like, regular day dress, but that's not the reason for this haul, and that is not the topic of events here. So maybe everything happens for a reason, but yeah, just thought I'd show you. Someone who's a similar body type to me, if it says crepe, don't go for an 8. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? This one's giving me Christmas Day vibes. It's very simple, classic red, classy. It's a midi dress, very, very sweet, can't really go wrong. I've seen so many different shaped type of people wearing this style of dress and it looks fabulous on everyone. Never seen anybody wear it and it looks bad. This doesn't give me New Year's. It's not very like sparkly and wow, but Christmas Day, you know, you want to dress up and sit with the family, have a nice meal, spruce yourself up a bit. I think it's definitely good for that occasion. It's got a strappy back and your back is out, which I've just styled like this. Not sure if there are any other ways to style it, but I've just crisscrossed it at the back. And yeah, it's very nice, simple, classic, chic. Can't really go wrong sort of dress. Are you ready to be wowed? Yes! Yes! Yes!
Yes, queen, yes, queen, yes, queen!
I never get this hype about a dress, but Oh Polly is serving these looks. Look at this color. This is so luxurious. Remember before I said I felt like a princess? In this I feel like a straight up queen. The glittery detailing on the straps, it's so glamorous and so celebration time. The fit, the style, everything about this dress just screams yes! I love it. I absolutely love it. And this is a size 10. Again, the satin material. Me, I think I found a new love for satin dresses. I was always weary of trying them before, but today I may have changed my mind. I'm glad that I stepped out of my comfort zone. I didn't just go for the normal like jersey or bandage type of dress, because I really, really like this. This is sexy. This is classy. This just gleams sophistication to me and glamour, pure glamour, and that is what Mix is about. Yes. I think I might have found the dress, guys. What do you think? The colour, this gold, I feel like it really complements my skin tone, and I'm sure it will it's that sort of gold that sort of complements everyone. It's love it, I love it. And that brings me to the end of this haul, the festive season. I think it's called Collection by Oh Polly. Christmas is less than a week away. I'm so glad that I bought these, because I think I may have found the New Year's dress. Maybe the Christmas dress. Maybe I'm still going to look for that. But I'm really, really pleased with my choices. Oh, what do you guys think? Which one was your favourite? Are you as hype as me about this stunning gorgeous dress? Or are you just like, nah, actually I prefer one of the others? let me know. I love to hear you guys' thoughts. Interact with me, let me know. If you liked this video, smash that thumbs up button, guys. It helps me out a lot. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. But thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. All links will be put down below, so if you did want to purchase any of these dresses, then feel free. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.